What's up, everybody? My name is Jared, aka the Sinister Camaro, and today I got my lovely wife with us today. If we look like we have the same outfit we were in the last video, that's because we are. We filmed 2 videos in 1 day, so we're trying to get this stuff knocked out. It's still hot as I don't know what. So, for this other video, before we get just soaking wet and sweat, what we're going to do today is we're going to do one of your favorite challenges with our snack crates. We're going to basically take this as soon as we break it open and find out what country it's from. We do not know anything about it, but once we break it open, find out what country it's from, we will start the timer, and we're going to see if we can break our record that we set on another video. Weird. Stop cheating. So I'm going to leave the little annotation up there so that you can see what time we have to beat, and we're going to see if we can actually beat that time. And I'll leave a timer while we're doing it as well. So we're doing it in our show car, show trucks, so it keeps it in the automotive realm with some funny videos to get to know us. So the first time visiting with us, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notifications on when we do these kind of videos, automotive tech videos. If this is your multiple time coming back, 2, 3, 5 times, thank you so much for love and support for all these videos. We do appreciate it, because without you guys, we wouldn't be doing it. So we're gonna bust this bad boy open right after this. Alright guys, so just like I said, we're gonna bust this box open, and the moment we find out what country it's from, we're gonna start tearing into it and seeing and trying all the snacks, giving you feedback as fast as we can so that we don't take up a lot of your time and we can get out of this hot truck. But we would really appreciate it if you dropped a like if you enjoyed at any point in time, because us roasting in this hot truck is not very fun, but it's fun for you guys at home to watch in your nice and cooled homes, hopefully. We're going to interrupt this video for a special announcement from our sponsors. They've been a huge help to this channel, and I thank them every single day for the awesome products that they give you guys and for you guys buying them, because without you guys doing that, our channel would not be supported like it is right now. So thank you guys so much for everything that you've done so far. So today's video has been sponsored by Manscape. That's right, Lawnmower 3.0. It's the best shave that you can possibly get. I mean, you got an LED light so you can do it in the dark if you need to. It's got that quiet sense technology so you don't wake the baby at night. And of course, you can even do it in the shower. That's right, it's waterproof in the shower. So don't forget to use our code Camaro20. You'll see it down below and in the description, all that good stuff. But use that code, use that link. Trust me, get yourself one of these. Get yourself an ear, nose trimmer. They even have a special kit, a 4-piece kit with nail trimmers and nail files. Everything that you need to stay tip-top at your best. Look at this nice shirt. Fits very well. I love it. What about underwear? They got that too. There's so many things. They care about you guys so very much. That's why they're giving us a 20% off plus free shipping code. So use Camaro20 to save yourself some money and get yourself the best products on the market. Because trust me, this is wife approved. 2020 has been a crazy year so far, and it's not seeming to let up. So make sure, don't let yourself go in this regard. Make yourself feel so much better, and your significant other thinks so too. So thank you everyone at Manscaped for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it. So, you ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Turkey.
Oh,
Mother
we
Russia.
got that. Look at that. It's like a button. We got Mother Russia.
With a cute little button.
Da, 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 da. Oh, that's Canada.
Focus. There we go, little button.
Alright, so timer has started. We've got a little pamphlet here. First, we've got, it says onion rings.
This is in Russian, but it looks like it's some kind of cheese flavored potato chips.
This is mini free onion rings, airy poofed onion rings covered with the favorite Russian flavor of mushrooms. Gross.
Ew, I like onion rings, but mushroom.
Hate mushrooms. Let me see what that is again.
They're like cheese flavored chips.
That's gross.
The cheese ones are good.
Krustiashi Kartoffel. I don't know. The thinnest crisp, often packed with the loudest crunch. The snack is dusted with this creamy and savory cheese flavor. Awesome. I love it.
These are not good. They taste more mushroomy than oniony.
Ugh. The crazy Russian hacker is watching the video. Oh my goodness. We actually get to try your stuff, even though you're here in North Carolina. So, shout out to you guys.
So this looks like it's like salmon and cheese flavored.
Let me see. Alright, salmon-y one. That is Koreshki croutons. A fun twist on a favorite Russian snack, salmon and cheese flavored rust with tartar sauce for dipping.
I guessed it right. Oh, and you have to dip in the tartar sauce.
What? No.
That's the rule.
No, I don't
That's
want
the
that rule.
rule.
No, tartar sauce
You
sucks.
have to try the tartar sauce.
This is 3 karaoke. This is crispy, crunchy, and doused in flavor. These rusts are coated in a rich tomato and herb dusting. So these actually look like crouton.
Oh my god, that's awful.
Ugh.
Here, have fun. You have to dip in the tartar.
No.
I didn't even hear what these are.
No.
Do it.
No.
Don't be a chicken.
No.
Chicken.
It tastes like that stupid fish stuff that Japan has. Gross. Take this back.
You didn't even dip in the tartar,
Nope.
you little baby.
Nope, I'm a baby. Wham, wham, wham.
These aren't very good, but they're so far the best thing I've had besides the cheese chips. They don't
Oh,
have
this
very
is terrible.
strong flavors.
Yeah, so this is like waffle with strawberry in between them, it looks like. This is Jaskino soft waffle, a soft and fluffy home-style waffle that's literally jam-packed. It's jam. Enjoy a tart cherry filling in this breakfast favorite.
So this one looks like some kind of, it's called Basker Wheels. It looks like it's some kind of pastry with raspberry filling.
Light and fluffy pancake with a surprise raspberry jam seeping out with every bite. What's up with you Russians and jam?
I keep going off camera. Sorry, guys.
Get back in here, girl. We love you over here, girl.
This one, the pancake one's actually pretty good.
That just tastes like a waffle to me.
I don't like raspberry, but the raspberry filling's good.
Yeah. I'm not a fan of the raspberry filling. The pancake's alright. Here you go, put it in your bag. I mean back in there. Alright, we're slowing up. We need to keep going. Alright, next we got Lucky Rolls. This is sweet and crispy wafer smothered in condensed milk coating and rolled into the perfect snacking roll.
The waffle is good.
So it looks like an actual waffle cone just rolled up.
So this one is fruit gummies. It looks like they're different shapes of vehicles.
Crut fruit and jelly candy. The most exotic gummy candies are made with real fruit juices and feature unique flavors with pomegranate, raspberry, peach, pear, apple, and passion fruit. That is just waffle cone. I like that. That's probably my favorite so far.
It's literally a waffle cone.
They gave us 2. Yay!
Here, take an airplane.
Cafe Dostoyevsky. Oh man, we're losing so much time.
The gummies are good. I like them. The vehicle gummies.
Gummies are pretty good, yep. I think I had a passion fruit one, didn't I?
I don't know.
This looks like an energy drink. Or coffee. I don't know. It says, this classic drink is described as tasting like the journey into the magic of the magical fairy Tagia? It's called Baikal. B-A-I-K-A-L. Baikal.
They gave us 2 of these. I don't know what they are because, again, it's in Russian. It looks like another waffle cone, though.
Alright, try the drink. Looks like soda.
I don't know that I like that.
It doesn't taste like anything. It's just carbonated water.
So this has some kind of jelly filling in it.
I don't know. Oh crap, we're running out of room. Alright, what is this? Yashkino Dutch waffle. 2 soft and chewy waffle cookies sandwiched around a layer of thick caramel.
This looks like some kind of chocolate banana pastry thing.
Other than the caramel being really messy, this is actually not bad.
Oh, it's shaped like an elephant.
Let me see. Nice. Nice. That's a noise. That's a biscuit cake banana. Sweet and spongy shortcake with a decadent banana cream filling in the shape of a fun animal.
You're gonna hate it. It tastes like banana pudding.
I'm not big on banana, but it's alright.
Hey, that's it.
Yeah, this last one here, break it open. Alright, so what she's got, Alonka chocolate, named after the daughter of the first woman in space. This milk chocolate bar has been the market leader in Russia since 1966.
Hurry, eat it, eat it.
And the thing I showed you earlier, Babushka doll. This month we've included a souvenir button that can be sewn into your clothing or used on a scrapbook to remind you of the Russian adventure. Reminder, this item is not for human consumption, so thank you.
And that was just chocolate, so I mean it was good. Time.
Alright, now did we beat it? Did we win? Did we do it? I'd say Russia, I only like the waffle thing, the gummies, and the chocolate. That's the only 3 things I liked out of your box. Everything else was really weird. Who includes tartar sauce in a snack? Who? That's what?
A lot of the chips were bad, but the candies were good, in my opinion.
Yep.
The soda was weird.
The weird croutons just threw me off. Like I said before, Crazy Russian Hacker, if you're watching this, let me know how bad I butchered the names. If you want to hook up, collaborate in one of these videos, it'd be lovely too.
We live in North Carolina too.
Yep, so not too far away. We even bring our daughter to play with you guys and everything like that.
Play with Alice.
That's right.
And bring our husky to play with yours.
That's right. So we're basically like an American version of you guys, kind of. But I'm just not 8 foot tall. But thank you guys for joining us. I hope you have a wonderful day. It was very fun making this video for you. We'll make more as soon as we get more boxes. But that's going to be all for today's video. If you did enjoy, please thumbs up this video. It helps us out a lot. If you're returning or if it's your first time, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you guys can check out content like this and watch us get goofy. We also do automotive and tech on this channel as well, so look out for that. That's going to be all. So thank you guys for joining us. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.
Excuse me.
That's going in the bloopers.
You better not.
Perfect.